everyone! Today we are going somewhere very special. The court.
This is the courthouse. The court is inside this building. Courthouse Bad. This is where we say courthouse. It is the building where the court is held. A court is a place where the law is used. When two people have a big problem and a judge decides who is right. When you enter a courthouse, you must pass security. You put your bag on the belt. You walk through the detector. Always cooperate with security. This is the courthouse lobby. This board shows all the courtrooms. The information desk is here. The courtrooms are upstairs. Let us go. Before we go inside the courtroom, important rules. 1. Turn off your phone. No phones in the courtroom. Be quiet. Wow, look at this courtroom. A courtroom is where trials happen. Let me show you every part 1. It is very interesting. Whew. The court is where justice happens. Learning these words will help you understand the news, films, and real life. The defendant is the person on trial. They have rights: a lawyer, the right to remain silent, and the right to a fair trial. Very important. First, in the courtroom there are 2 tables. This is the prosecution table. The prosecution lawyer works for the government. They say the person is guilty. This is the judge's bench. The judge sits here higher than everyone, because the judge is in charge. This is the gavel. I think this is going to be a fascinating case. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I've got my notepad and pen ready to go. This is the public gallery, where the public watches the trial. This railing is called the bar. Only a witness saw or heard something about the case. The oath. I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Then both lawyers ask questions. This is the witness stand. A witness is someone who saw what happened. The witness sits here and answers questions. Before speaking, they make an oath. Final decision of jury times verdict. The punishment times sentence. You know so much court vocabulary now. The prosecutor tries to prove guilty. The defense attorney tries to prove not guilty. Both present evidence and make arguments. The judge wears a black robe. The judge listens to both sides. The judge makes sure the trial is fair. We call the judge Your Honor. The court clerk organizes the court. The court reporter writes down every single word spoken. Every word recorded. Step 1. The case is called. The clerk reads the case name. The State versus John Smith. Everyone sits. The court is ready to begin. Step 2. All rise. Everyone stands. The judge enters and sits. Be seated. Everyone sits. This shows respect for the court. Step 3. Opening statements. First, the prosecutor speaks to the jury. They explain what they will prove. Then the defense attorney speaks. No evidence yet.
Step 4. Presenting evidence. Evidence can be documents, physical objects, or photographs and videos. The lawyer presents.
If guilty, the judge gives a sentence: a fine, community service, prison, or probation. The judge decides based on the law and the crime.
Important court words. Verdict TAF, the final decision of the jury. Sentence TAF, the punishment given by the judge. Evidence, where does the judge sit? The judge's bench. What is a juror? A member of the jury. You are learning fast.
Fun facts! Jury duty is the law. Trials are public. Anyone can watch. Supreme Court judges serve for life. For life! Judge, prosecutor, defense attorney, defendant, plaintiff, witness. These are the key people in every trial.
Courthouse, judge, jury, verdict, sentence, evidence, guilty, not guilty, appeal. Your Honor, I object. All rise. You know so much English now. Your Honor, I object. Sustained, overruled, court is in session, order in the court. These are famous court phrases. Different courts for different cases. Lower courts, state courts, federal courts, the Supreme Court, the highest court in America. Now you know the court. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Next week, somewhere completely new. Keep learning every day. Goodbye.